Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video it's going to be literally a short one because I have the 3 Kylie face powders that she released for her holiday 2018 collection. I wanted to test them out on camera for you guys because for holiday I don't think she's ever released a blush, highlight, and perfecting powder. I just thought that was super interesting, and I felt like it would be a really helpful video for you guys to have something to reference to when it comes to these 3. Something quick, something simple. So let's get started. So let's get started with the pressed perfecting powder. So when I see a pressed powder like this, I think of setting my under eye. A perfecting powder, so I feel like I could put it all over my face just for like a touch up, and it should be good to go. So I'm just gonna take this Morphe E48. I'm gonna load up my brush here. Something that I do like about these is the packaging. It's light blue, and inside it has a mirror, so that's really handy. Use this film right here. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is literally put this directly under my eye. Today I did have some fallout right here from my eyeshadow, so I want to see if I can kind of conceal that a little bit. The Your Perfect Perfecting Powder is described as a soft light beige tint. I'm not sure if it's doing anything. I think I did see it go a little brighter though. I think it is doing something. It's kind of hard to see with my ring light and my 2 box lights, but I think it is doing something. Do you guys see a difference right now between this side of my face with no powder on and this side? It did kind of concealed that glitter and that shimmer that fell right here. So yeah, you guys, I think it's doing something. It's definitely brightened it up, or is it just me? I don't know, but to me it looks a little smoother than it was before. What? Have I just found my new favorite? What if I do it? No, this looks pretty good. Maybe just a little bit down my nose, because I do feel like this isn't really as bright as I want it to. Whoa. You guys, I think I like this. It definitely brightened it up and kind of softened it. Whoa. What if I do a little bit on my chin? Now I'm getting carried away. Just a little bit on my chin. A little bit more bullet. I'm gonna do a little bit down here. This is surprisingly laying down very well on top of everything else that I already have. I like it. I don't know how it's showing up on camera, but I do feel a little smoother. What do you guys think? I think this powder is a hit for me. I don't know what to say. It literally caught me off guard. This is really good. It just kind of melts into your skin. Okay, before I get too carried away, let's go on with the Winter Kissed blush, which looks like this. So the only 2 blushes that I own from Kylie is these cardboard ones, which one is Virginity and the other one is X-rated. Like, I have been loving on them a lot. More so this one. So I've been looking forward to playing with this Winter Kissed shade. If this is the same formula as these 2, I already know I'm gonna love it. Let's test it out. I'm taking this Morphe E4 and I'm swiping 1, 2. Just like that, like I do with my normal blushes. And I'm gonna start from back here into the apples of my cheek. The Winter Kissed blush is described as a powder pink. Oh, that's cute. That was very subtle. Dipping in it again. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, so my SD card ran out of memory, so I had to quickly go transfer that footage, but now I'm back. And let's keep applying this blush. I was literally loving this so much, and it cut off. It's laying really nicely on top of my bronzer, and again, it's not interrupting anything. Very soft looking. It looks very dry in the pan, but it's actually very smooth. So let's apply the other side. Oh, that's just so nice. And that color, I knew this color. If I liked the formula, I knew this color was going to be my newest favorite for winter. And I'm really glad I picked this up. You guys, 2 out of 3 so far. I like this. I really like this. And I could go on and on and on and on and on forever and ever with blush. Now let's try the Snow Angel highlight. So this is the A23 by ABH. And now this looks like a really pretty rose goldy type. Rose gold, copperish. Okay, so I'm gonna do this side. The Snow Angel highlighter is described as a warm shimmering pink. Ooh. Let's see, let's blend this down to the blush. I went a little ham on this side. With highlight, I find that, well, at least for me, I find that I need to let it set for a while to warm up, to let it warm up to my face, but that looks really nice. But it's like borderline ashy on me. Like, it looks really pretty from the side, but when I'm looking at you head on, like, you can kind of see it a little ashy, which means that it's too light for me. So if you have a darker skin tone than me, this probably is not going to work. I mean, I personally don't care. To me, highlight is highlight. This has like a really pretty shift to it, like kind of almost holographic sheen to it. It's like different. It's different than her other highlights. But let me tone this down a little bit. I mean, I don't mind it. It looks really pretty with the blush. It really complements the blush really well. This side looks so pretty, nice and smooth, but I went a little too ham on this side. Let me do a little bit on my nose to kind of even this out. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Look at that. Oh. But it's fun for the holidays. It's like really fun. It's not too much, but it's not like too subtle. I want to put a little bit of this in my inner corners. It is gorgeous in the inner corner. Ooh, it's making me feel so pretty. Okay, so a little info on these. The Winter Kissed blush and the You're Perfect Perfecting powder are both $18 each, and the Snow Angel highlight retails for $20, so $2 extra. I totally recommend the perfecting powder and the blush for winter. The Snow Angel, I don't know how to feel about it yet. Like I said, I feel like I need to let it. See, I'm liking it. It's like growing on me. It looks super pretty. Like I said, it's like borderline too light for me, so I just need to keep trying this out. But definitely check these 2 out if they're available. Check them out because they're actually pretty bomb.